Hello guys, this is Shubhadeep. Welcome to my channel. So in this tutorial, we will learn about how to use total MTD and same period last year function together and effectively. Okay, so let's see. Here you can see. So here is our orders table. So and there total MTD. So what total MTD means? Suppose this is September 2022 month. This is September 2022, and in this month our company has profited 10,000 rupees. So what total MTD will do? Total MTD will look how from September 1st to 30th September how this 10,000 rupees is made day by day. That means if 1st of September is 100 rupees, then 2nd September is 500 rupees, like this until 30th September 2022, how 10,000 rupees is made. That is all about total MTD. Okay. So here you can see this is what I have done. I have taken a function total MTD, then sum of profit, comma, and the order date, ship date. So there is a ship date in orders database. So this is calculating total MTD. Okay. Then I want same period last year also. What is the same period last year means? Here you can see this is 2012 January data, right? So same period last year means what was 2011 last year, 2011 January month's data. Okay, so here you can see in 2012 January total is 33,450. So if you go to the 31st of January, sorry, here you can see in 2012 January there was 13,924 profit. So if you go to 31st of January, here you can see 13,944. So how it is made? Like January 1st 910, January 2nd 2066, like this. This is the total 13,944 is made on the 31st of January. But I want to see what was the like this, what was from 2011 January also. I want to see, I want to compare this. So here you can see in 2011 data, if I then here you can see in January 1 and 2, 1st and 2nd January of 2011 is not present there. That is why here that is why in 2012 also you can see when I am comparing with 2011 data, here you can see January of 2011, 1st of January 2011 and 2nd of January 2011 is not present here. Then it is comparing from 3rd of January 2011. From 3rd of January 2011 it was 115, but in 3rd of January in 2012 it is 3054. Like this it is comparing. So how we can get this same period last year? For this I have created another function, another DAX calculation, same period last year. So here here you can see calculate. I have created calculate, then my previous one total MTD, same of total profit, orders of ship date, then same period last year and again ship date. So here it is calculating same period but last year, January of 2012, and it is same period of last year means January of 2011. So like this it is calculating the total calculation. So if I see here like this you can see in 2012 33,450, and it is comparing with, here you can see in 2013 it is comparing with 2012. It is 2012 33,450, and here you can see it is comparing with previous year 2012 data 33,449. Like this, 50,864 of 2012 it is comparing with 2014. Here you can see previous year 50,863. Like this, the comparing is going on. So I hope this video was really helpful. If you like my channel, please subscribe it. If you like my videos, please like it, share it among your friends. Please support to my channel, subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys. Thank you.